Welcome to the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering at Arizona State University. Our college houses the undergraduate and graduate degree programs for engineering, computer science, and a majority of the technology programs that are offered at ASU. This presentation will explore the electrical engineering degree program with a concentration in electric power and energy. ASU has 4 campuses that span the Phoenix metro area, and the Fulton Schools of Engineering are located on 2 of those, the Tempe campus and the Polytechnic campus. The electrical engineering degree program is located at the Tempe campus, but all campuses are open to all students regardless of where their program is located. We offer a free inter-campus shuttle for our students so that they can explore courses, student orgs, activities, and resources at any campus. At Fulton, we offer 25 undergraduate degree programs, which provides a lot of choice and flexibility in finding the program that fits for you. We are called the Fulton Schools of Engineering because we categorize our degree programs into 6 schools, which are organized by theme and location. The first 5 schools from left to right are housed at the Tempe campus, and the Polytechnic School is housed at the Polytechnic campus. Our electrical engineering students belong to the School of Electrical, Computer, and Energy Engineering, which you will see towards the middle of the infographic. Each school has its own director, affiliated faculty, and advising unit so as to provide greater support and specific guidance to the students within that school. ASU and Fulton have direct admission, meaning when students apply, they apply directly to the degree program they want to pursue. As long as a student meets the admissions criteria for their program of interest, they are admitted. It is important to note that some of our degree programs, including electrical engineering, have slightly higher admissions criteria than the general university requirements. For a comprehensive list of admission criteria, you can visit the Fulton Schools of Engineering website at engineering.asu.edu. Students in the electrical engineering program are located at the Tempe campus, which is both their academic and residential home. First-year freshmen are expected to live on campus their first year, and our engineering students are currently registering for housing in the Tooker House. Tooker House is the residential hall for all engineering disciplines, and we are also expanding to University House for the 2020-2021 academic year. Students that are a part of Barrett the Honors College live in Barrett housing, but are given the opportunity to live on an engineering-specific floor if they choose.
The Electrical Engineering BSE with a concentration in power and energy systems provides a broad engineering foundation with a focus in the generation, transmission, and utilization of electric power. Ours is one of the largest electric power and energy systems programs in the country today, with several power research centers located on campus. Students in this program will be taught by outstanding power systems faculty and will have the opportunity to engage with excellent industry partners throughout the program. We offer specific coursework in the 3 subdivisions of the power area. The first subdivision is power generation. The second is transmission and distribution, and the third is electricity utilization. Some examples of topics in these areas include mobile power systems, such as aircrafts and ships, renewable energy sources and systems, and fast switches. The program is based in calculus and physics. Students start with math and work their way through the physics series while taking engineering courses such as digital design and C++ programming. This helps build a solid foundation for the electrical engineering coursework. Once the prerequisites are complete, students advance into courses like circuits, signals, and electromagnetics. Students begin to customize their coursework according to their own research and career interests in the upper division courses. Each student will complete the program with an academic year-long capstone project in the power area. ASU requires all students to complete English composition and general studies courses to complement their major requirements. Students will complete a minimum of 120 credits upon graduation. Here we have the program flowchart. This document outlines the order in which courses are taken according to prerequisites. The first 2 years are mainly math and science courses that prepare students for electrical engineering coursework. The second 2 years provide flexibility and allow students to further explore the power area. To earn the Power and Energy Systems concentration, students are required to complete EEE 360 as one of their 4 area pathway requirements. They will also need 9 credits of their technical electives to be in the power area, and finally, their senior design capstone must be a power-related project. Upon earning this degree, students are well prepared to pass their PE exams, have excellent placement in a full-time position, and are well equipped to continue their research in graduate school and in the industry.
Hello, my name is Kelly Anderson. I am a junior studying electrical engineering here at ASU, and I'm here today to talk to you a bit about the classes that you'll take as an electrical engineer. We'll focus a little bit on the power systems pathway within electrical, and I'll tell you a bit about the activities that I'm involved in that you can explore while you're at ASU. So classes for an electrical engineer are really valuable in my opinion because they give you a very broad systems type view of many aspects of engineering. Now you'll take classes where you're looking at circuits, you're looking at the gates and the transistors that are helping the computer to function, you're looking at those voltages and currents that actually make that machine work. But then you'll also take programming classes that help you understand how you run through different programs and how different softwares work. You'll take lots of physics, which goes into how the different materials that we use for printed circuit boards and different circuit elements really function and how those different properties make them viable aspects of circuitry. And it's just this really awesome view of a lot of different aspects of engineering. Now, within the power systems pathway specifically, this is a really great way to understand both traditional power supplies as well as the newer ones that we are currently developing, such as solar and wind power. You'll take lots of classes that focus on the transmission of power, how we generate power and how we store it, and then also some classes on how we're exploring new opportunities for power in solar and how we're making those processes much, much more efficient. It's really exciting. So now I'll talk a little bit about some of the activities that I'm involved in that you can explore at ASU. There's many, many more, so I encourage you to check out our websites and talk to other people about the different opportunities that there are. But specifically, the activity that I'm involved in that I think has really impacted me the most is EPICS, and that stands for Engineering Projects in Community Service. It's a class where you actually work with a community partner and your team, and you prototype and you actually build a physical solution to whatever problem that they have proposed. It's a really great way to work through the entire life cycle of a project, to go from brainstorming to prototyping and then to actual implementation with the community partner. So me specifically, I've been working with the Phoenix Zoo for the past 2 years, and with my team, we have been making a reptile misting system, and it turns on when it rains outside. And so as an electrical engineer, I never thought that I'd be making a reptile misting system, but there really are so many different aspects to all of these different projects where everyone's different expertise really comes into play. So we've actually made our prototype and we're implementing it very soon, which is really exciting. And it's just been a really great opportunity to really get that engineering process and get that experience. Another activity that I'm involved in, as you can see on the slides, I'm a Fulton ambassador, so I give tours for the Fulton Schools. I really love sharing that love of math and science with other people and telling them about ASU, but more importantly, just about engineering in general and how they can solve amazing problems as an engineer. Besides that, I'm in some other extracurriculars. I'm in Barrett, and so I've done many different clubs through Barrett, which is another way to get involved. I do a self-defense club at the gym, and so it's a really great way to be well-rounded as an engineer and really get all of those experiences. So I am so excited that you watched this video here with us today. Thank you for being here, and good luck in all of your future endeavors.
Thank you for taking this time to explore the electrical engineering program with the Ira A. Fulton Schools of Engineering. If you have any questions about applying to Fulton, please contact us at fultonschools@asu.edu. If you have any specific questions about the electrical engineering program, please contact us at askee@asu.edu.